look gross. It's our final hot dog video of 2025, and of course there's no better way to finish than doing it my way, and to top it all off with a dessert dog. So we already got the blueberries compoting. I don't know what the proper way to say that is, but blueberries are on the stove, and already got the process started there. This is also going to be our last time using this bad boy for the season, and I'm a little sad about it, but I think it's, what's the word I'm looking for? Appropriate that the final hot dog video is also the final time I use the grill this season before I put it away for winter. One more thing, we're gonna go ahead and get our onions going as well. So I'm gonna melt some butter, and then I'm gonna put our onions right in there. There we go. Now we're just gonna let those cook for a little bit. We're getting pretty close. We're gonna go ahead and put our buttered bun down, our buttered brioche bun for the dessert dog. We're gonna go ahead and throw that down. And at the same time, our onions are good to come off. We're gonna start off by making the My Way dog. Of course, you know it. We gotta slather on the mayo. How else would I start my go-to dog without a lathering of mayo? Next up, our bacon wrapped dog. We're gonna cover it with our onions, just like that. Next up is a little bit of shredded cheese, and of course, just a little bit of garlic salt. And the ultimate final ingredient here, your choice of hot sauce. Of course, I'm using Cholula, because that's what I always have. And that is how you make a dog my way. Our final dog to construct here tonight, we've got our bacon wrapped dog. We're going to be putting some blueberry compote over the top. If you think this is gross, go to your local food co-op or something and get a blueberry bratwurst. I promise you, amazing. Really, really yummy. Now, to cover over the top of this delightful little dessert, we've got some nectarine homemade syrup bought at a market. So we're just gonna drizzle that over the top. Now you could do honey or maple syrup, any kind of syrup. I just wanted to keep that, that bright fruit and berry kind of mixture going on here. So that's what I did. That's it. Those are our two dogs, and now we got to give them a try. Dog number 69, My Way. I mean, it's just pure happiness. That's what this is. Pure, unadulterated joy and happiness from this hot dog. What's not to love? The butter sauteed onions, of course, mixes so well with the fancy sausage dog. The cheese, of course, is an extra nice little compliment over the top, and the hot sauce gives it just enough extra little flavor in another direction. It's a 5. Of course, it's My Way. It's a 5. I love it. Now this next dog, I do not presume to be a 5. In fact, I would not be surprised if this is a 1. But I absolutely had to do a dessert dog to top this whole list off. So, number 70, the dessert dog. Let's try it from this end. There's a little bit more bacon.
Shut the fuck up.
This is actually so good. Immediately, the first taste I had, because like I said, we buttered this brioche bun and then threw it on the flat top with the blueberry compote and the syrup. This honestly just tastes like French toast with a breakfast sausage on top. I mean, it's basically what this is. And I gotta say, I was expecting a 1. This might honestly just be a 5. And now I'm questioning if this is really a dessert dog or if it's a breakfast dog, because it's really just French toast, like souped up and then like delivered like this. So I'm calling it a dessert dog, but this is like a 5. I love it. I am shocked at how much this is fun. Cheers. We're done. I gotta eat. Thanks.